Come test drive the 2017 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, roof rails, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Each certified pre-owned Cadillac comes with the full assurance that it meets Cadillac's rigorous standards. With additional warranty coverage, 24-hour roadside assistance, and courtesy transportation, your certified pre-owned vehicle will provide you peace of mind. With Cadillac certified pre-owned vehicles, the car's past becomes irrelevant. What matters is your future. Ask your dealer for more details. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.